Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with 1 cup thin poha and a clean tray. Remove any husks or grit, this matters for texture. Once done, spread a single layer and dry immediately. Sun for 30-60 minutes or use an oven at 90 degrees for 10-12 minutes. Make sure to shake or flip every 5 minutes so drying is even. This prevents chewy pockets. Drying removes bound moisture, so the poha will shatter cleanly when processed. This step sets the whole breadcrumb quality. You next toast the dried poha in a hot pan for 1-2 minutes. Keep the heat medium-high and avoid browning. Dry toast develops aroma without cooking. Once toasted, cool fully so residual heat won't create steam when grinding. Transfer to a grinder or food processor in small batches. Pulse rather than run continuously. Pulse 8-12 times for coarse crumbs, 18-25 for fine. After pulsing, sift and return oversized bits for a second pass. This gives uniform particle size for consistent coating or binding. You finish by cooling the crumbs thoroughly and storing them airtight. Add a small desiccant or a few grains of rice to absorb moisture. This keeps them crisp for up to 3 months. If crumbs go soggy, re-dry in the oven at 100 degrees for 5-7 minutes or quick pan toast until crisp, then cool before sealing. Make sure to cool between grinding passes. If you see uneven sizes, reprocess in smaller batches. This preserves texture and prevents clumping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.